Let's be real for a moment. Everyone knows AI is the big opportunity right now. People are making money faster than ever with content, videos, voiceovers, graphics, and automations. But here's the painful truth nobody talks about. Most people are stuck paying for 10 different AI tools. ChatGPT for text, DALL-E for images, 11 Labs for voice, a separate tool for video, another one for coding, another one for chatbots, another one for SEO tasks. And each one charges monthly. Some $20 a month, some $100 a month, some even more. You're switching screens all day, blocking creativity, wasting time, wasting money. If this feels familiar, you're not alone. Even if you want to scale, it becomes overwhelming. Instead of letting AI speed up your business, the tools slow you down. Here's the plan every online creator follows. You research the idea, you create the content, you publish it online, then you profit. Simple, right? But here's where almost everyone gets stuck: the creation step. Making videos takes hours, writing quality content takes hours, designing visuals takes hours. And if you outsource, that's expensive. You're either losing time or losing money. There has to be a smarter way to get things done. This single moment, deciding what tool to use, is where productivity dies. What if, instead of using 10 different tools, you could log into one dashboard, type what you need, and AI does the rest? This is the world's first AI dashboard that gives you access to all top AI models, all versions, all future upgrades, all in one place. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, DALL-E, Veo, 11 Labs, you name it, it's there. And you never pay monthly, ever. It's like having the entire AI industry in your pocket without subscriptions holding you hostage. Imagine this funnel. Ideas go in the top, high-converting content comes out the bottom. No delay, no skill required, just outcomes. You want videos? Done. You want 8K visuals? Done. You want human-sounding voiceovers? Done. You want code written for apps, bots, automations? Done. This isn't just another AI tool. This is AI without limits. AI that removes the struggle from creating. AI that gives you your time back. Here's what makes me excited. You don't need technical experience, you don't download anything, no setup, no learning curve. You log in, choose your model, tell it what you want, and export with one click. That's it. Let me show you how it works for real. We'll jump into a quick live example. And here's where this goes way beyond traditional tools. You also get a commercial license, keep 100% profits selling what AI creates, a project manager, organize clients or gigs, 1,000 plus done-for-you prompts, templates for videos, blogs, ads, and content, free lifetime updates, including future AI models, cloud-based access anywhere, any device, priority support if you ever need help. These bonuses aren't extras, they're money-making shortcuts. Right now, you have two choices. Path A, keep paying for software every month, keep switching screens, keep feeling stuck, keep leaving money on the table. Or Path B, one dashboard, all tools unified, fast content, fast automation, fast results, no monthly costs ever. Which one truly helps you move forward? I know what I'm choosing. Your goals shouldn't feel impossible. Your tools shouldn't slow you down. Your business deserves momentum. This makes the plan real and the results faster. It removes the struggle so you can actually win. Click the link below to check it out today. The lifetime deal is still available, and it replaces over $12,000 per year in subscriptions, but only while this early launch window is open. Take a quick look before the opportunity disappears. Create, automate, scale. Your plan simplified.